Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'm going to do my second number. It's going to be in tribute to some shit that's going on in this country. I'm so proud to be an American finally, after I got my green card. I'm so proud to be American now. We have a black person running the country, President Obama, yay!
Whoa!
We have a surgeon, did someone say boo? Bitch, if you said boo, you're on the wrong fucking boat. I'll push you off, bitch. This is not the Republican convention. The people here are 20 and under, motherfucker. Alright. Obama, we have a black Surgeon General. I don't know his name because... Where are you from, sir? Where are you from, sir? Who? Serbia? Is that in Connecticut or something? Are you from Yugoslavia? That clears it up. What the fuck is that? It's not American. You're not American. Europe. Oh, you're from Europe. Oh, that's wonderful. I can tell by your outfit. People still wear that? Alright, ladies, I'm kidding. I love a deep V from 2007. It's fabulous. Dougie's still wearing one? Where's Dougie? Alright! Is that bitch here? That bitch is probably passed out already. This number isn't... Oh, you're right there. Oh. He just blended in the sea of white people. And look, there's a woman! I knew I smelled fresh pussy coming up to the stage. Are you a lesbian or a straight woman? You're lesbian, I'm so sorry. What a waste. All the straight guys running the boat were like, oh yeah. And then you walked on, you're like, no, I want some pussy. How about this pussy de plástico here? You like that? I had it done in Mexico. You want to see it? It's I might need a drink or something, motherfucker. This microphone would be a boomerang if you didn't have a cord attached. Alright. This number, ladies and gentlemen, is in honor of some shit that just happened. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Sotomayor, the first Latino Supreme Court Justice ever in history. That's right, all the Latinos say hey! Wait, let me try an experiment. All the black people say hey! All the Asian people say horror! That's just racist, Serbian. Your grandmother is Asian? Oh. Good for you, drink up, honey. Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, this is for my Latinos and anyone who loves a Latino or likes to suck off a Latino or get fucked by a Latino. This number is for you. Stick it in, baby. La vida es un carnaval! How you doing? Alright, everyone's okay so far? Everyone's okay? Nebraska? Everyone's okay? Everyone's okay? Don't make me come to the back, bitch! I didn't clean my pussy today, it's rank! Did you like that smell in the front? Oh, hi! How are you, baby? I didn't recognize you. Look, I know everybody. No, I don't know them. I know most of the people in the front. I'd like to know you. In the salmon-colored deep V. American Apparel? No? Europe. No, the shirt. Did you get the shirt from American Apparel? H&M? Where'd you get it?
Oh, baby.
Where are you from? Oh my God, you're from London, England. Hello. See, you must speak like a Brit so they can, you get a little cock later. Is that your boyfriend? No, because he's an asshole. I know him. Small dick. Small bitch. Bitch, I got manhunt too, bitch. I seen your penis. Okay, get real. But in my case, they call it she-hunt. The she-male version. All right. Hi, how are you, Don? Getting up and walking out in the middle of my fucking number.
I'm getting a drink. I'm just.
You didn't get me a drink, bitch. You didn't now.
I didn't get myself a
Bitch, give me the fucking drink.
Take his. I didn't make your show better.
Don't make me get black.
In order to do that, you have to wipe your face off, girl.
I would say it's about to get ugly, but look at that shirt. It already did. I don't want this, honey. I got the top shelf.